Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
वापस मिल जाए। ये फोटो आता अच्छा नहीं लगता। Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, यही ना नहीं आएगा ना।
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इसको ओपन करना डिलीट करना पड़ेगा।
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
2 बजे का अभी तक
अभी कल भी होगा।
डिलीट कर दो, इधर तो हो गया।
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
आधे घंटा लगता है।
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Welcome everybody. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam namaskritya
Narayana Namaskritya
Naram chaiva narottamam
Naram Chaiva Narottamam
Devim saraswatim vyasam
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam
Tato jayamudhiraye
Tato Jayamudhiraye
Nasta prayasya bhadreshu
Nasta Prayeshu Abhadreshu
Nityam bhagavata sevaya
Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya
Bhagavati uttama shloke
Bhagavati Uttama Shloke
Bhaktir bhavate naistiki.
Bhakti Bhakti Naistiki.
Text 27, Srimad Bhagavatam, a morning class, Srimad Bhagavatam, every day, 8 to 9. Shoka harsha bhaya dvesha,
Lokasha Vaya Vesha
lobha moha madanvitaha,
Lokamahamadandita
mito granantam na pashyanti,
Vitoganantam Napashyati
bhavai bhavam prithak drishaha.
Bhave Bhavam Pradrishaha
Shoka harsha bhaya dvesha,
Lokasha Vaya Vesha
lobha moha madanvitaha.
Lokamahamadandita
Mito gnanantam na pashyanti,
Vitoganantam Napasyanti
bhavai bhavam prithak drishaha.
Bhave Bhavam Pradrishaha Lokasha Vaya Vesha Lovamohamadandita Vidoganantam Napashyanti Bhave Bhavam Pradrisha Shokasha Bhaya Dvesha Lovamohamadandita Vidoganantam Napashyanti Bhave Bhavam Pradrisha Shokasha Bhaya Dvesha Lovamohamadandita Vidoganantam Napashyanti Bhave Bhavam Pradrisha
Shokaharsha Bhaya Dvesha
Shokasha Bhaya Dvesha Lovamohamadandita Vidoganantam Napashyanti Bhave Bhavam Pradrisha
Shoka, lamentation,
Lamentation
harsha,
Harsha
jubilation,
Jubilation
bhaya,
Vaya
fear,
Fear
dvesha,
Dvesha
envy,
Envy
lobha,
Loka
greed,
Greed
moha,
Moha
illusion,
Illusion
mada,
Mada
madness,
Madness
anvitaha,
Anvita
endowed
Endowed with
vitaha,
Vitaha
one another,
One another
granantam,
Ganantam
engage in killing,
Engage in killing
tapashyanti,
Napashyanti
do not see,
Do not see
bhavai,
Bhave
because of such differentiation,
Because of such differentiation
bhavam,
Bhavam
the situation
Situation
in relation to the Supreme Lord,
in relation to the Supreme Lord
Prithak Darshaha,
Pradrisha
persons who see everything as separate from the control of the Lord.
Persons who see everything as separate from the control of the Lord.
Persons with the vision of differentiation are imbued with the mental qualities, lamentation, jubilation, fear, envy, greed, illusion, madness. They are influenced by the immediate cause which they are busy counteracting because they have no knowledge of the remote supreme cause, the personality of God. Person the vision of differentiation
Persons with the vision of differentiation
are imbued
are imbued
with the material qualities,
with the mental qualities,
lamentation,
lamentation,
jubilation,
jubilation,
fear,
fear,
envy,
envy,
greed,
greed,
illusion,
illusion,
and madness
and madness.
that influence
Their influence,
the immediate
their
cause
immediate cause,
which they are busy counteracting
which they are busy counteracting
because
because
they have no knowledge
they have no
of the
knowledge
remote
of the remote
supreme cause,
supreme
the
cause,
personality of God.
of God.
Yeah.
Purport by Isvan Krishna Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki Krishna is the causes of all causes, Sarva Karana Karanam. But one who has no connection with Krishna is disturbed by immediate causes and cannot restrain his vision of separation or differences. When an expert physician treats a patient, he tries to find the original cause of the disease and is not diverted by the symptoms of that original cause. Similarly, a devotee is never disturbed by reversals in life. Tatte anukampam susamshika susamshikam samana susamikshamana. Bhagavatam 10.14.8. A devotee understands that when he is in distress, this is due to his own past misdeeds, which are now accruing reactions, although by the grace of Supreme Personality of Godhead, these are only very slight. Karmani nidati kintu chabakti bhajan. Brahma Samhita 5.54. When a devotee under the protection of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is to suffer because of faults in his past deeds, he passes through only a little misery by the grace of the Lord. Although the disease of a devotee is due to mistakes committed sometimes in the past, he agrees to suffer and tolerate such miseries, and he depends fully on the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Thus, he is never affected by material conditions of lamentation, jubilation, fear, and so on. A devotee never sees anything to be unconnected with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Sri Madhvacharya, quoting from the Bhavishya Purana, says, Bhagavad Darshana Dyasya Virodha Darshanam Pritak Drishti Sa Vijneyo Na Tu Sad Veda Darshana.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmalitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nivashesha Shunavadi. बहुत टफ हो गया है. जय हो श्री कृष्ण. क्या करना है? मैं तो इतना खींचता तब भी नहीं होता.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
इसको डाउन नहीं किया ना.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
हरे कृष्णा. शोक हर्ष भया द्वेषा लोभमोहमदान्वितः मितो गणन्तं न पश्यन्ति भावे भावं पृथक् दिशः. Also, the difference, vision or differentiation are imbued in the material qualities, lamentation, jubilation, fear, envy, greed, illusion, madness. They are influenced with the immediate cause, but they are busy counteracting because they have no knowledge of the remote cause, the supreme cause, the personality of God. Very interesting. Devotee is always peaceful. When Parikshit Maharaj was touring in the kingdom and he found that cow and a bull were in great difficulty. Why? Because Kalipurusha was beating them almost to death. Their legs were broken. At that time, he asked the bull, please give me a statement. What has caused this suffering? Actually, first he looks at Kalipurusha and he says, what you have done, even if Indra has done, I'll punish him. Whoever he may be in this universe, if somebody has done this, I don't care who he is. I'm going to punish him. And he is competent also. Nobody can escape his power. I'm not going to spare anybody who has done this. And that's his duty as a Kshatriya. Kshatriya cannot see an innocent man being given pain. Kshatriya man cannot see pain being given to innocent person. This is the mood of a Kshatriya. So he is very Shata Trayate. Shata means injury, Trayate means he saves. whom he saves all the people who need protection. And definitely a cow also needs protection. If a Vaishya protect cows, and Kshatriya, they generally protect the human beings. But here, a cow is left unprotected and he is taking advantage. He's very, very angry. Now he wants statement from bull. This is not ordinary bull. Cows and bulls also talk. Different ages. I think previous ages, even animals are more advanced. So cow and bull talks. So the bull says, it's very difficult to understand what is the cause of my suffering. Because different philosophies have so many things. So Prabhupada explains that very nicely. अभी तक समझ आया? परीक्षित महाराज अपना राज्य घूम रहे थे, तो उधर उन्होंने देखा एक गाय बैल करीब करीब मर चुके हैं. क्यों? एक राजा काला कलर का राजा का ड्रेस पहना हुआ है, एक्चुअली कली पुरुष था वो, और वो ऐसा काम किया. जैसे ही उन्होंने उसको देखा, परीक्षित महाराज ने बोला, किसी ने अगर ऐसा काम किया है, वो इंद्री क्यों ना हो, इंद्र का जैसे शक्ति क्यों ना, मैं तो उसको पनिश करेगा, दंड देगा. उन्होंने अपना तलवार भी निकाल दिया. और परीक्षित महाराज इतने शक्तिशाली राजा से कोई नहीं बच सकता था उनसे. तो तब भी एक्शन लेने के पहले आपको स्टेटमेंट देना पड़ता है ना. तो उन्होंने बैल को पूछा, बोलो किसने किया ये सब. तो ये दूसरा युग है, कलयुग नहीं है. और ये भी बुल ऑर्डिनरी बुल नहीं था, धर्म पुरुष हिमसेल था. गाय पृथ्वी थी और जो बुल था दैट इज धर्मराज, है ना. So the cow was not ordinary, it is mother earth personified, and bull was dharma personified. So bull said, बैल बोलती है, बहुत मुश्किल है जानना. क्या? क्या मुश्किल है जानना? बहुत मुश्किल है जानना कि कौन हमारी विपत्ति का कारण है. तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So then Prabhupada explained there are so many causes. Some people follow Karmimamsa of Jaimini. श्री राधा गोविंद की. वो लोग क्या बोलते हैं? अरे हमारे ही कर्म थे ये सब, हमारा ही पुण्य पाप है. दुनिया पुण्य पाप ही सब कुछ है. और पुण्य पाप इतना शक्तिशाली है, भगवान भी उसी के अंडर कंट्रोल में है. आप अच्छा करोगे तो अच्छा होगा, बुरा करोगे तो बुरा होगा. अपने ही कर्म फल हैं. वो भगवान को इतना नहीं मानते. और भगवान को उनका आइडिया भी कुछ नहीं है ज्यादा. भगवान आपके कर्म फल आपको दे देते हैं बस. एक उनका भगवान कुछ नहीं है, एक किताब रखते हैं बस. पुण्य क्या लिख लो, पाप क्या लिख लो, और आपको कर्म फल वापस आके मिल जाता है बस. उनका आइडिया भगवान का इतना ठीक नहीं है. गलत क्यों है ये? जैसे आपकी छुट्टी है, आपके पास 10 दिन की छुट्टी है, बॉस के पास है थोड़ा छुट्टी चाहिए हमको, हमारे छुट्टी इकट्ठी हो गई, हर महीने एक दिन इकट्ठा होता है ना. तो हमारा 10 दिन हो गया, हमको छुट्टी चाहिए. बॉस पूछ सकता है नहीं देंगे, मना कर सकता है नहीं. पूछने को जा रहे हो, मना कर सकता है नहीं. तो छुट्टी बोलने की क्या जरूरत है, छुट्टी ले लो ना. पूछना पड़ता है, ना भी बोल सकता है नहीं. तो सिमिलरली हम पुण्य करे हैं, भगवान हो सकता है ना दे फल, उनका कंट्रोल में. यही नहीं कि भगवान ने कर दिया काम मिल जाएगा. जैमिनी's आइडिया इज you have done punya, you will get the result. You have done papa, you will get the papa result. God is just an account keeper. Unka idea is not correct. So that is one kind of philosophy. There are various reasons. Then come Kapila Muni. Kapila Muni takes Sankhya. He says Prakriti is the cause. Because of combination in metal elements, you are suffering. The soul is in the midst of metal elements. All Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna. When in Sattva-guna you are happy, Rajoguna you are disturbed, Tamoguna you are mad. And then you are disturbed by the metal elements. Because of that you feel birth, old age, disease, death. Therefore you are suffering. That is Kapila Sankhya. No God. No God. So there is Kapila Muni का भी ज्ञान समझ आ गया. अरे दुनिया में आए हैं, सत्वगुण रजोगुण तमोगुण से प्रभावित हैं. इधर सत्वगुण में खुश हैं, रजोगुण में डिस्टर्ब हैं, तमोगुण में पागल हो जाते हैं, है ना. जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि ये तरह तरह के दुख हैं. हम प्रकृति में फंस गए हैं, ये जगह आत्मा के लिए नहीं है, ब्रह्म में चले जाओ। ये आपका सांख्य हो गया कपिल का, है ना? ये भी गलत है, भगवान किधर गए? कोई ज्ञान नहीं भगवान। देन देयर इज गौतम एंड कनाडा, उनका है एटॉमिक थ्योरी। आप ये अणु ये नित्य है। अरे कैसे अणु नित्य हो गया? इवन साइंस में ही मालूम है, वी कैन कन्वर्ट मैटर टू एनर्जी, है ना? देयर इज नॉट दिस थिंग अणु, एंड आत्मा इधर फंस गई है between the atoms, and therefore you are suffering. So you have to liberate yourself to come out of the suffering. That is their solutions. What is liberation? Come out of the entanglement with atoms. ये इनका ज्ञान है. So therefore there are so many ways, and today no knowledge on it. Each of the 6 munis wrote sutras. बड़े बड़े सूत्र लिखे इन्होंने, बड़े बड़े किताबें लिखी हैं. गौतम सूत्र, कपिल सूत्र, सांख्य सूत्र, पतंजलि योग सूत्र, बहुत कुछ लिखा है इन्होंने. लिखा है नहीं लिखा? They have written so much. They have written, and so much philosophy they have. If you see Gautama philosophy, you can do. One person I met recently, he is doing PhD on Gautama philosophy. You can do PhD. इतना लिखा है, इतना ज्ञान है उनके. And there have been later people, just like we have people writing Bhagavata Tatparya on the Vedanta Sutra, and their sutras also there are people writing bhashyas. But true, Veda, they are all contemporaries of Veda Vyasa, and Veda Vyasa wrote Vedanta Sutra. When he wrote Vedanta Sutra, he defeated in the 2nd and 3rd chapter these philosophies also. He said that they're wrong. Kapila Muni is wrong. Why Kapila Muni is wrong? Why this Gautama is wrong? He explained with detailed example each one of them. Why Jaimini is wrong? Gautama is wrong. He gave in brief, I can tell you. Why Gautama is wrong? Because he says logic is supreme. He says no. What is beyond your perception? What kind of logic you can use? जब आपको दिख ही नहीं रहा उसमें क्या लॉजिक लगाओगे आप? वो तो है ही आपकी दृष्टि. You have to accept shabda that is higher than logic. You may not be able to understand. परमात्मा is situated in a heart, but logic will understand. परमात्मा आपके दिल में वास करती है, क्या लॉजिक से समझोगे? ये तो भगवान की कृपा है ना? Is a kindness, compassion of Krishna is sitting in the heart of everybody. What logic can understand? It's beyond your logic. है ना? Existence of God is beyond your so-called logic. God is existing. Your logic, you can understand or not understand, He exists. So He counteracts the logic. He says, no, the Supreme has to be the Shabda of the Lord, not your mundane logic. Spiritual logic, yes, we can understand everything. Everything is logical. But then elements of logic are not developed. Somebody says, can you prove God logically? Yes, we can prove God logically. But elements of logic like soul, God are not developed within you. How can I use it? Okay, everything I can do logically, but not everything is evident to you. वो दिख ही नहीं रही चीज, just thing you are not able to see. What logic can I do? I have to proceed. So it's Shabda. So gone. Gautama Kannada are clean board. Then Kapila says Sankhya. He says that Prakriti is the cause of everything. So he says, Acha. Vedavasa says, Acha, very good. How can a building come? आपका इतना बड़ा कैंपस है इन्फोसिस का. ऐसा हुआ था कि लाइटनिंग विंड रेन आया था, पूरा मानसून आया, पूरा बिल्डिंग बन गया, है ना? हमने उधर मेस देखा, एक बार आए थे, कितना बड़ा मेस है, अपने आप बन गया क्या? So can Prakriti on its own create anything? Is it that stones fall on its own and the building is made? Is it possible that the building forms on its own? No, there has need a Purusha. Prakriti on its own is useless. There has to be both Prakriti and Purusha. Just Prakriti cannot be the cause of everything. This is the argument Vedavasa uses and smashes Kapila clean board. Then Jaimini bolte hain, nahi, your punya is everything. If you have done good, you get good. You are suffering because you did some papa. Yes, also no. Because Krishna is in control. He may say no. You may have papa, Krishna can say no. You may have punya, Krishna can say no. There is a decision maker. He is supreme. Not papa punya is not supreme. God is supreme. Because these are all astika philosophies. You can quote Shastra to defeat them. All these philosophies accept the Vedas. They are called Astika. Buddhism is called Nastika. They reject. But the problem with these philosophies is that they accept the Shastra, but the meaning they take from the Shastra is not there what is there in the Shastra. ये गौतमा, कनाडा, कपिला, जैमिनी ये शास्त्र को स्वीकार करते हैं, लेकिन इनका तर्क शास्त्र में नहीं है. ये शास्त्र का कुछ अलग ही मतलब निकालते. They take a strange meaning, they squeeze out a strange meaning out of the Shastra. And most of us are in some kind of mixture of this. Therefore, we feel pain and shock when there is suffering. We should not feel, because Krishna is in control. Therefore, he's saying why we see differentiation. Harsha, Shoka, there is no meaning in all this. Correct? That's what he's talking. All this kind of experiences that we have. Who is speaking this? Vasudeva. Vasudeva just forget Kamsa, smile. But he is giving reason for that. He's not whimsically, not sentimental person. Somebody gives some flattery and you say, okay, fine. We are like that. No, Vasudeva is full of knowledge. He says, oh, personality Kamsa, only by the influence of ignorance. Because he is not in, he is Vasudeva Shabditam. Satam Vishuddham Vasudeva Shabditam. What is the meaning? Krishna takes birth from Vasudeva stage of consciousness. What is Vasudeva stage of consciousness? A Sattva which is free from influence of Rajoguna and Tamoguna, that is called Vasudeva stage. And Vasudeva of his father is personification of that. Correct? A stage free from Rajoguna and Tamoguna, free from ignorance. And Krishna takes birth from Vasudeva. Vasudeva stage of consciousness also, Vasudeva personality also. Only by the influence of ignorance doesn't accept the material body and bodily ego. Because of ignorance, we accept all this. Person then bodily concept lying, lacking self-realization, differentiate in terms of this is mine, this belongs to others. This is today, we did 27th rather. Imbued with lamentation, jubilation, fear, envy, greed, illusion, madness. They differentiate between them. ये देखना, अरे ये तो रोने की चीज है, ये तो हंसने की चीज है, ये तो डर लग रहा है, इससे तो ईर्ष्या हो रही है, इसका लालच मेरे को है, and पागल हो गया मैं. ये सब तो मटेरियल है. Person on spiritual platform is free from fear, envy, jubilation, greed, illusion. Does not touch him. Why? Because Bhagavad Gita also it is said, Dukheshu anudvignamanaha, Sukheshu vigata spriyaha, Vitaraga bhaya krodha, Siddhirmuni uchyate. Second time Vitaraga bhaya. Siddhir matlab, जिसका मन is fixed on Krishna, Dukheshu anudvignamanaha, is not disturbed by sadness. Sukheshu vigata spriyaha, is not too much delighted by happiness. Vitaraga bhaya krodha, is free from attachment, fear, and anger. Siddhir Muni uchyate, he is a Siddhir. So Siddhir Muni matlab, Vitaraga bhaya krodha, is free from all this attachment, fear, and anger. Is free. Sukhesh Vigataspi, he is not very delighted when you give him something very happy. He is not feeling sad. वो इन जब चीजों से ऊपर हो चुका है. इसलिए वसुदेव के सामने उसके 6 बच्चे मरे, कोई डिस्टर्ब, बहुत शांत. क्यों? Because he knows the ultimate cause. And Prabhupada gives a super example. What is that? He says, when I go to a doctor, the doctor looks for the root cause of the disease, not the superficial cause. We are coughing. Doctors today what will think? Is it coronavirus because of his coughing? He's thinking a little deeply. Not that just coughing has come. One kind of doctor, he only suppresses the symptoms, but it doesn't go to the disease. आपको fever हो रहा है, he'll give some injection and reduce the fever. But the disease is still there. And again fever will come. So good doctor goes to the root. Ayurveda will go more deeper than these doctors. Even more deeper. But anyway, the point is that people deal with superficially or deeply. So similarly, most of the people in life, अरे दर्द हो रहा है. जो आदमी है deep, क्यों दर्द हो रहा है? What is the cause? And okay, Karan is Krishna finally. These becomes peaceful. Krishna is sanctioned. Therefore, Prabhupada quotes a beautiful sloka in the purport. What is that? Tatte anukampam susukshmanaha bunjana evatma kritam vipakam hridavagvabhovi vidham namaste jiveta samukti padeta dayabha. He says, Tatte anukampan susukshmanaha. Is always eagerly, susamikshmana, eagerly awaiting what? Always devotees eagerly awaiting anukampa, Krishna karuna. Is always eagerly awaiting Krishna's mercy. कृष्णा आपका कृपा चाहिए, हर क्षण मांगता रहता है भगवान से, प्लीज मेरे पे कृपा करें, हमेशा हर क्षण आप कृपा करें. तत्व अनुकंपान सुशिक्षमान भुंजान एवात्म कृपम विपाकम. और जितना भी उसको दर्द होता है, भुंजान, ही एक्सेप्ट्स ऑल मिजरी, आत्म कृपम विपाकम. ये तो मेरे ही, दिस ऑल माय ओन पापा, मेरा ही पाप है, it's all my sins. Munjan evat kripam vipakam. He knows Krishna reduced it. Actually, he deserves more, but Krishna reduced it. Tatte anukampam susikshmanaha bunjana evat kripam vipakam. Then hridavag vapubi, with the body. Hrid means dil, heart. Vapu, body. Hridavag, words. With his heart, अपने दिल से, अपना body से, with his body, hridavak, with his words, with all the three things. Hridavak will be vididam namaste. Is offering obeisances to the Lord with the body, minds, and words. Even though he is suffering, he accepts the suffering as he is the cause. I am the cause. He accepts responsibility. Not that, sorry, yeah, my Lord, please punish me. I need to suffer. But you are so kind, you give me a little suffering on it. And is constantly, is eagerly awaiting, my Lord, please be merciful to me. There may be some suffering. Oh, that is kindness. That is also mercy of Krishna, some kindness of Krishna. But he knows Krishna is the cause. So Vasudeva is seeing so much suffering, he knows it is sanctioned by the Lord. It's peaceful. He's not doing anything. Doing his duty, what he can do? He's helpless. Like Prahlad Maharaj, every day his father is trying to kill him. What can he do? He cannot fight against his father. Similarly, Vasudeva knows Devatas can't fight with this Kamsa. Who am I? There's no way I can fight with it. It's too powerful. Okay, in this situation, I'm stuck here. I accept it. Krishna's sanction. And is bearing the pain, knowing I am the cause of this pain, not that Krishna has given. My own sinful deeds are cause of this. I deserve even more. When Haridas Thakur was beaten in 22 marketplaces, what did he say? My Lord, I deserve more. This is nothing. Hridavag vapubi vidham namaste jivet samukti paded sadayava. If somebody in this platform that constantly seeking the mercy of Krishna and suffering all pain, accepting it as his own sins and Krishna's kindness, Krishna's mercy, and always with body, minds, and word offering prayer to the Lord. अगर कोई ऐसा आदमी है वो हमेशा भगवान की कृपा मांगता रहता है, भगवान थोड़ा मेरे पे कृपा करिए प्लीज. अपने दिल से, बॉडी से, माइंड से भगवान को प्रार्थना करता रहता है. हृदवाक वपु, दिल से, अपने शब्दों से, अपने शरीर से हर भगवान को नमस्कार करता रहता है. जो भी दर्द है स्वीकार करता है, भगवान को हमेशा कृपा मांगता रहता है. दर्द को भी भगवान की कृपा ही मांगता है. कुछ भी हो गया भगवान का कृपा, भगवान कृपा करें, कृपा करें. एक थप्पड़, थैंक यू कृष्णा. कुछ कृपा करें, कृपा करें. एक लात, थैंक यू कृष्णा. ठीक है, जो भी होता है. अब आप रोड में चल रहे हैं, फिसल गए, चोट लग गया, भगवान बहुत कृपा, थैंक यू, बहुत शुक्रिया. भगवान को गाली नहीं देता, अरे भगवान क्या कर दिया, ऐसा बहुत कृपा आपकी, आपकी कृपा. ऐसा नहीं है अब फिसलूंगा रोड में, नहीं नहीं, ध्यान से चलता है, फिसल गए, भगवान की कृपा है. ज्यादा दर्द होना चाहिए था, थोड़ा कम हुआ, भगवान की कृपा है, इसमें कुछ सीख है मेरे लिए. So it's constantly always peaceful. I was telling that example when Prabhupada was there in India, and there was India India-Pakistan war started, partition by 1971, Prabhupada is in India. So a journalist comes, says, "Hare, bahut problem ho gaya, yuddha ho gaya." Prabhupada is sitting so peaceful. He's not disturbed. He knows Krishna is in control. Correct? I give you that another example. One man there was a big cyclone. क्या हुआ था? बहुत बड़ा cyclone था. So wife was running here, there. अरे cyclone आ गया, सब उड़ जाएगा, blah 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 blah. We were sitting peacefully. Then after cyclone got over, so how you are sitting so peaceful? So bring a knife. तो चाकू लेके आई. उस चाकू उसके वाइफ के गले के आगे रखा. हाँ? तो वाइफ पीसफुली बैठी थी. तो बोली तुम why you are not scared? ना तुम डर क्यों नहीं रहे? नहीं क्योंकि चाकू के पीछे मेरा हस्बैंड है ना, तो इसलिए मेरे को डर नहीं लग रहा. तो बोला इस साइक्लोन के पीछे मेरा कृष्णा है, मेरे को इसलिए डर नहीं लगता है ना. दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल. So we can understand behind everything Krishna is there. आप पूर्ण रूप से शांत हो जाओगे. और कौन है? Vasudeva had adhikara to speak this. In front of him, his 6 children died. It is very, very painful. है ना? Very nice statement I heard from somebody. क्या? कि बच्चा अपने पिता की मृत्यु देख सकता है, लेकिन बाप बच्चे की मृत्यु नहीं देख सकता, पागल हो जाता है ना? The same way, Vasudeva has seen death of his children. It is unbearable, है ना? एक नहीं 6 बच्चे मरे उसके सामने. आसान नहीं है. तब भी खड़ा है वो, लेटा नहीं है. खड़ा है, आसान नहीं है. He has adhikara now to speak this. He has actually shown how to be able to bear pain. Today people can't bear pain. Little pain, they collapse, है ना? थोड़े दर्द में ही डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं लोग, है ना? ऑफिस में प्रमोशन ना मिले, दारू पीना शुरू कर देता है, डिप्रेशन केस बन जाता है, दवाई खाना शुरू कर देता है. बट नो, ही इज सो पीसफुल. ही इज नॉट डिस्टर्ब्ड. Not only is not disturbed, he is speaking so sensibly knowledge. It's very, it's a strength of mind. This is strength of mind. To serve Krishna, look at the strength of this mind. Anna? So he is able to see that fear, jubilation, envy, greed, these things should not disturb a person who is self-realized. Has totally self-realized personality, and it deserves to have Krishna as a son. Anna? Krishna को बेटा होने का अधिकार है उसके पास. इतना दर्शन है उसके पास. Not ordinary personality. They are very, very advanced personality. These are all people from the spiritual world. They show these high qualities. They deserve. You want to go to spiritual world, you have to be polished to this much. You have this much quality. Because people do not know the remote cause of personality God. People do not know. Therefore, they get disturbed. But somebody who is actually spiritual platform, he is not disturbed by this jubilation, fear, envy, greed. This should not be illusion. Definitely should not be visible. So we have to come out of this. We are in this. We get jubilation, we get fear. All of us get fear. We get envious, we get greed, we get illusion, madness. Then we are not fit to. Don't talk, Krishna, take me back to this. You're not fit. First deserve, then desire. Come out of all this kachara. You cannot. We will create disturbance in the spiritual world if we enter with all this unwanted things. Jubilation, fear, envy, greed. These are all signs of material contamination. Signs of somebody whose consciousness is not developed. So you should develop a consciousness, not that I'm only chanting, but why these things are there. That means you're not chanting properly. Therefore, everything should have a target. If you don't have a goal, then everything is useless. There should be a goal. What is the goal? Come out of all this. I should come out of all this. I should come out of Rajoguna, Tamoguna, all the desire for sense gratification, all the desires. I should come out of all the material desires. Yes, therefore we do chanting. Otherwise we will not chant. We will not chant with heart. Because I know chanting should at least bring me to Satuguna every day. Not that I chanted my round. What is the use? I don't know chant properly. Just like, कपड़ा धो लिया मैंने. धो लिया इतना गंदी की क्यों? ढंग से क्यों नहीं धोता? You washed my clothes. Why it is dirty? That means you're not washing properly. है ना? हर चीज का there should be target, no? कपड़ा धो लिया, हाँ धो लिया. अरे गंदगी लगी है, देखो तो. That means you're not washing properly. ब्रश लगा रहा हूँ, अरे लगा रहा है, लेकिन पर्पस क्या है लग रहा है? We should not forget the purpose. No. Anything you do has to have a purpose. We do not know the purpose. अरे हो गया जापा. Not focused. What is the purpose of chanting? The purpose of chanting is to bring to Krishna consciousness, but that will take time. At least it should free you from the 3 modes. है ना? Therefore, Prabhupada, chanting should be so good every day. You should come to Satoguna at least. Then you're chanting, you will chant with attention. Then you have everything has to have a target. Without target, nothing is done properly. हाँ हो गया जप मेरा. तो we are seeing so much fear in you, so much envy in you. Then what are you chanting? What is this chanting going on? बोलते क्या जप कर रहे हो? कौन सा मंत्र जप कर रहे हो? Which mantra are you chanting? Because these things should be visible. Therefore, we should chant with great attention. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. आधा घंटा हो गया. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So we chant so attentively. Why we chant attentively? What is going to happen? This effect should come. Effect should come. And I see these things in my personality in the day. Now, okay, I chant very attentively. Every word I want to hear. Because I know this is what is called washing. Washing. I even kirtan. Japa, kirtan. Chanting softly is japa, chanting loudly is kirtan. Both are important. Many times we have a lot of quotations of Prabhupada of chanting, and we take only for japa. No. Paksanda Prabhupada says kirtan is 100 times more powerful than japa. 100 times more effective in purifying the heart. Because we are able to hear. Kirtan to the naam to sunte hai na, Hare Krishna, japa mein we are not hearing anything. Mind, And second thing is, we are here chanting loudly together. It has its own power. Actually, if you want, where Krishna is present in Kaluga, is present in the Sankirtana. If you have prayer, offer to the Nama. Nam Upasaka, become worshipper of the holy name. And when you are doing Sankirtana, the Lord personified is present in the holy name. Is present there. You can offer some prayer. Actually, devotee should not have a prayer. He has only prayer how to serve you. But even if you have prayer, ask the Lord is present in Sankirtana. My dear Lord, you're present now as Harinama. Please bless me. Help me in serving you. He's present. So fear, envy, greed, we should have so nice japa and kirtana, we should be washed from all this. Because in Rajoguna, Tamoguna, the service is not very pleasing to the Lord. It's not only we are doing service, important what mood we are doing service. ये नहीं हाँ सेवा होगी किस consciousness में करी service? With fear, with envy, with greed. What is this service? It's not very pleasing to Krishna. जैसे भगवान को चपाती देते हैं, if it is burned, it's not very pleasing to him. Krishna will accept it out of love, but that's not the way to serve the Lord. है ना? It should be good or not? भगवान की सेवा कर रहे हैं, चपाती जलाई हुई चपाती देती, भगवान को प्रिय नहीं है. क्या भाई ढंग से बनाओ? नहीं माता जी, नहीं मैं भगवान की सेवा कर, अरे ढंग से करो ना. So anything we do, it should be done with proper consciousness also. Not only the service. I am doing service. It has to be done with proper consciousness. ऐसा करना चाहिए. सही. पहले मार्क बताना चाहिए. 5 मिनट बचे हैं 4 तो. So we should do service with proper conscious. Many people, I am doing service. You are doing service. But why? With so much fear, anger. That is also important. Actually, we don't want service. We want service with proper consciousness. That is more important. True or not? You are more focused on, because just doing work, one thing good, whatever work you're doing, karma phala tyaga, result you're giving to Krishna. A devotee is doing that. But why he should do also in proper consciousness? Okay. And proper consciousness will come in good association with the holy name, with devotees, and free from all this fermentations. Okay. So a person should be very much conscious that ultimately there is a supreme cause because of which everything is happening. So when there is a disturbance in the body and in the mind, it's peaceful. Sometimes it is hot. Oh, so hot! I'll die. Sometimes it is hot. Sometimes it is cold. कभी गर्मी होती है, कभी ठंड होती है. मात्रा स्पर्शास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्णा सुख दुःख गदाः आगमपायिनो अनित्या तां च शिक्षस्य भारत. What does Krishna say in Bhagavad Gita? This all comes and goes. This all contact with the senses of the sense object. We should not take it very seriously. Sitoshna. Sometimes it is cold, sometimes it is hot. Agama payina. It will come, it will go, it will not stay forever. Just like people are, oh, coronavirus, corona. It has come, aaya hai, chala bhi jayega. It will go also. Don't have to be too much worked about. Material things come and they go. Anitya. It is not permanent. Tam titiksha bharata. Just tolerate. Some inconvenience is there. Tolerate. It's part of life. Okay. So we should have knowledge of the supreme cause and Adbhuta Karmana. Whatever is happening is wonderful. Whatever God is doing is wonderful. No need to complain. Adbhuta Karmana. We should start in that angle. Then you see. See, how do we learn? What is the process of learning? Process of learning is you take the statement of the Bhagavad Gita and then try to understand. That's called fast learning. If you say on your own you're speculating, that's slow. Fast learning is just like you're lost in a jungle. You open your GPS. That is fast for you to come out. Take help. Take help. So you want to know knowledge, take help of Krishna. You'll learn fast. Correct or not? Learn fast. The same way, you try to, so many things are happening in the world. So how do we learn? We take statement of Bhagavad Gita, try to understand. Krishna says cow dung is pure. Simple example. Use it, it is pure. You save time. कृष्णा ने बोला तेज सीखने का क्या तरीका है? कृष्ण जो बोल रहे हैं उसको स्वीकार कर लो. कृष्ण बोलते हैं गोबर स्वच्छ है, यूज कर लो, स्वच्छ है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपका टाइम बच गया. बट यू वांट टू एक्सपेरिमेंट, फिर पता करोगे टाइम बर्बाद कर रहे हो, खाली टाइम जाएगा. सो एक्सेप्ट अथॉरिटी, यू सेव टाइम. जब भी आप अथॉरिटी को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, यू सेव टाइम. द सेम वे this is a way actually to see. So similarly, everything is happening in life. Take it as Krishna's mercy. You'll learn fast. Actually, it is Krishna's mercy. Take it like that. Don't challenge that. That's not the way to learn. Okay? And you will see it is wonderful. Just like cow dung is pure. साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने भी उसको प्रूव कर दिया गोबर प्योर है. बहुत 50-60 साल लगे. आपका टाइम बचा ना. आपका टाइम बचा. आप जो शास्त्र में लिखा है उसको स्वीकार करो, आपका टाइम बच जाता है. Prabhupada said we should not doubt an authority. It is a misfortune to doubt an authority. है ना? बीमार पड़े, डॉक्टर gives the medicine, take it. Why you doubting is an authority. We should not doubt an authority. So similarly, when Krishna is speaking, here it is revealed to us that everything that happened in life is the mercy of Krishna. Take it. You save time. You'll advance very quickly. Actually, it is true. Actually, it is true. Just like you get information, Parvata is the heart. It's true. Start talking. Save time. Start talking. My Lord, you're so kind. You come with me to guide me. You're so merciful to me. He's hearing. Good, good, great. You're saving time. You're advancing very quickly. So take advantage of the knowledge. So what is the knowledge? Everything that happens in life is Krishna's mercy. Great. Take advantage of this knowledge. इसका फायदा उठाओ. जो भी कुछ जिंदगी में होता है, भगवान का कृपा है. Remote cause कृष्णा ही है ना? Therefore, we should be devoted. Therefore, is very peaceful. कृष्णा जो हो जाए आप करो, जो करना है आप करो. ऐसा नहीं ये नहीं करो. हम लोग हाँ सब कुछ करना, ये नहीं करना. कृष्णा जो करना, हाथ खोलो छोड़ दो. जो करना है करो, आपकी इच्छा. हाँ, you are in control. And whatever happens in my life, आज से जो मेरा जिंदगी में होने वाला कृष्णा, मैं आपकी करुणा के रूप में स्वीकार करूँ. Then Krishna becomes free. Okay. आप थोड़ा इसको जल्दी काम कर सकते हैं, है ना? आप रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर दोगे तो फिर बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. ये नहीं, अरे नहीं, फ्री छोड़ दो. जो करना है करो कृष्णा. आप मेरे साथ जो करना है करो. Whatever you want to do with me, Lord, do it. I proceed, please. I surrender unto you. And whatever happens in my life, I'll take it as your mercy. But I'm doing something, yes. What is that? Hridavak Vapuvi. With my body, minds, and words, I'll keep offering, glorifying you. With my body, with my mind, with my words, I'll keep glorifying you, Allah. Whatever happens, I'll take it as your mercy. Now you proceed. Correct? That is the shloka. Tatyan kampam sasakshimanaha bhunjan evatmukritam vipatam hridva gupubi vidanam namaste jivetu so mukti padera daiva. It says if somebody comes to this platform, going back to Krishna becomes his right. He will get definitely Krishna's lotus feet. Anna? Because every moment he's seeing Krishna. He's seeking mercy of Krishna. Please guide karo, please guide karo. जैसे somebody comes behind me. अब मेरे को बताओ क्या करना है, अब मेरे को बताओ क्या करना है, अब मेरे को बताओ. आप उसको बोलो ठीक है ऐसा करने का, हाँ thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Then after some time बताओ ना, बताओ ऐसा करने का, हाँ thank you, thank you. The same way, है ना? The same way Krishna is actually always seeking mercy of Krishna. Always seeking mercy of Krishna and thanking Krishna for his mercy. Even though there is no disturbance, take it as Krishna's mercy only. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.